Hello, world. I trust you're blessed people. So, I just finished a live session with one of my students, and during the live session, this is what I did. I gave them a signal, of which the proof I'm gonna send after this video. And during that, I told them to do something with the Euro USD. Okay, so look, this is the trade that I told them to buy. And I've caught about 34 pips. As you can see, the balance of the account is $111, and already it's just in the morning, 1 past 9 a.m. I'm at 34% 0.58 growth of my account. So I gave him this signal, and I only take 2 or 3 trades a day. But then it's the power of the understanding in the market, like the stuff that I do. You see, sorry about that. You see that, like, this thing, I don't, people think maybe I do it once in a while. I do this thing every day. Every single day I do this thing. Every single day I do this thing. As soon as I see an opportunity in the market, look at that, it's gonna move up. I might just hit my 50% target in one trade. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm still to find something that is gonna beat, the way I trade the market. I'm yet to find another approach in the market. I've done a lot of stuff, I've done a lot of research, I've done a lot of stuff in the market. I've learned a lot. But then, so far, I can assure you, there is nothing that is compared to this approach in the market. Okay? Stay blessed, everybody. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out. Please do check our website, forexrockstar.co.za. www.forexrockstar.co.za. It's a movement, people. We're all about empowering people out here. God bless you. We love you so much. Yours truly, the Rockstar, signing out.